In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-fit rows and columns. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and this is a simple but very useful skill that can make your spreadsheets much easier to read. AutoFit automatically adjusts the width of columns or the height of rows so the content inside each cell fits properly. This helps when text is cut off, numbers don't fully display, or you have too much empty space, making the worksheet look uneven. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel and going to the worksheet you want to adjust. Once you're in your sheet, you can use a few different methods depending on whether you want to fix columns, rows, or the entire worksheet at once. First, let's look at how to auto-fit column width. Select the column or columns you want to adjust. Then move your mouse to the right edge of one of the selected column headings. When your cursor changes into a double-sided arrow, double-click. Excel will instantly resize that column to match the longest piece of content inside it. This is especially helpful if you have headings or values that are being cut off. Next, let's auto-fit row height. Select the row or rows you want to change. Then move your mouse to the bottom edge of one of the row headings. Once the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, double-click. Excel will automatically adjust the height of the row so the content fits better. This is useful when cells contain larger text or multiple lines that aren't fully visible. You can also do this from the ribbon if you prefer using menu options. For columns, go to the Home tab, click Format, and then choose AutoFit Column Width. For rows, go to Home, then Format, and select AutoFit Row Height. This method is great if you want a more guided way to make the adjustment. If you want to auto-fit the entire worksheet, click the Select All button in the top left corner of the worksheet, or press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. Then go to Home, click Format, and choose AutoFit Column Width. After that, repeat the process and select AutoFit Row Height. This quickly cleans up the entire sheet in just a few clicks. One final tip: AutoFit works especially well with wrap text. If a cell contains a long sentence, turn on wrap text first and then use AutoFit Row Height. That way, Excel will display the full text more neatly within the cell. That's how to auto-fit rows and columns in Excel, and it's a great way to keep your spreadsheets clean, readable, and professional.